So today I will talk about tips to ease lower back pain in young adults and the effective stretches and exercises. Namaskar everyone, I'm Dr. Richa Sharma, Senior Physiotherapist working with Apollo Hospital, Noida. Low back pain or lumbago is a very common disorder which involves muscles, ligaments, nerves, back of the bones. It is the most common cause for the missed work days and the common cause of disability between the age group of 19 to 45 years. आइए जानते हैं risk factors, contributing factors for the low back pain in young adults. Poor posture, prolonged sitting position for long period of time, it leads to back pain. जब हम लगातार सिटिंग पोजीशन में रहते हैं तो हमारे पैरास्पाइनल मसल्स बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेन्ड एंड बैक मसल्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्फ्लेम्ड हो जाते हैं. एंड सेकेंडली improper lifting techniques. ठीक है, too much of gymming at workout. Some of the exercises which are very hard on your back, and when you are using while improper lifting of the weights at workout schedules. Obesity is another reason for increasing back pain because in an obese person the core muscles एक ऐसी muscles होती हैं जो कि deep seated muscles है under abdominals and these muscles बहुत ज़्यादा weak हो जाती हैं. These muscles supports the normal curvature of the spine also. Poor mattress is also one of the leading factor to increase low back pain. If you think that your body is sinking and your mattress is not able to hold the normal curvature of the spine, then you might at the risk of getting low back pain. Poor mattress, it leads to poor sleeping patterns, which in turn lead to strained muscles and the strained spine also, which causes increase in the back pain. Now the tips to ease back pain are quick stretches and exercises daily. Walk and talk. लगातार जब भी हम डेस्क जॉब हम अपने काम करते हैं तो टेक frequent breaks in between, walk and talk and drink plenty of the water and keep yourself hydrated so that there will be the proper hydration of desk also. And smart choosing mattress. Memory foam mattress is a very good option for the individuals who are having back pain. The memory foam mattress, it supports the normal curvature of the spine and the alignment also, and thereby it reduces the fatigue and the strain on the back, which thereby decreases back pain. Quit smoking. Smokers have increased rate of back pain because prolonged smoking, it leads to decreased blood flow and in turn it resulting in osteoporosis. Not only that, chronic smokers have coughing, which leads to sometimes herniated disc also. Let us now demonstrate quick stretches and exercises that helps in decreasing back pain. I'm sure it will be very effective for you. First exercise is bridging exercise. इसमें आपको दोनों नीज को फोल्ड करना है और ये पोजीशन काफ़ी ऑप्टिमम है फॉर डूइंग द ब्रिजिंग एक्सरसाइज बिकॉज इस पोजीशन में हमारा लोअर बैक में कर्व ऑब्लिटरेट हो जाता है. प्रेस बोथ द फीट्स डाउन टू द बेड एंड स्टार्ट रेजिंग योर हिप अप इन द एयर एंड होल्ड फॉर 10 seconds and slowly bring it down. Do this exercise for 10 repetitions with 10-second hold 2 times in a day. The second exercise is knee to chest exercise. इसमें आपको 1 by 1 अपने नी को चेस्ट की तरफ लेकर के आना है और अपने हाथों से आप इसको अपने नी को सपोर्ट कीजिए. Hold this position for 10 count and bring it back. इसी सेम एक्सरसाइज को रिपीट करना है for the other leg also. Hold this position for 10 seconds and bring it down. Make sure shoulders को राइज नहीं करना है. This exercise is called as hamstring stretching exercises and we are going to do with the help of the towel. Stretch the towel towards yourself and you are going to feel pulling sensations at the back of the leg. Individuals जो prolonged sitting position में रहते हैं उनके hamstring muscles काफ़ी ज़्यादा short हो जाते हैं. So this exercise is very effective. Do this exercise for 10 repetitions. Fourth exercise, prone SLR. इसमें टमी के बल पे आपको लेटना है and then raise your leg with knee straight 1 by 1. Take it up and hold this position for 10 seconds. Slowly bring it down and do vice versa. It's a very powerful spinal extensor exercises. Fifth exercise is cat and camel exercise. इसमें प्रोन पोजीशन में ही रहना है पेट के बल और धीरे धीरे आप all 4 पोजीशंस में आएंगे. Weight on the hands with the elbow straight और नी को भी बेंड कर लेंगे. Make a hump just like a camel और कोर मसल्स को टाइट रखना है. So you can see a very effective hump in the mid back और अपने कोर मसल्स को टाइट रखेंगे. Secondly, make a hunch just like a cat, and now you can see a very effective curve. Do this exercise for 10 repetitions. It's a very powerful core strengthening exercise. So all these exercises to be repeated 2 times in a day with 10 repetitions, and hold these exercises for 5 to 10 seconds. I'm sure this really gonna ease your back and help in decreasing back pain also.